Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to view the cleaning history and reports on MOVA V50 Ultra. To do it, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then find cleaning history. I don't have any cleaning data, but you'll find it here. It will show you the time it took to perform that cleaning task. It would show you whether it was vacuuming or mopping, or vacuuming and mopping. If it was the full house cleaning or just room cleaning or zone cleaning, as I said, how much time, but also how big of an area it was, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.